Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. In the car, the sun's going down. It's almost 6 o'clock at night, but I wanted to get this video up for you. I swear my channel just needs to be called SAS, like until the end of the year, because y'all know starting on the beginning of the year, I am going on my body care no-buy, but that doesn't start until January 1. So Jan 1 is when that starts, so I'm enjoying myself because this is my last weekend. I can really go to the sales and just have fun. I did a candle exchange to get 2 of the new candles that just came out. Sorry if I look bad. I'm living off 5 hours of sleep right now. Yeah, so I just want to get into the haul. That way I can get it up for you guys. If you guys are tired of these hauls, I'm sorry. But when new things come about, I want to share it so you guys can get out to the store, take advantage of the discount before the discount is gone and they don't have the items anymore. First, start off with this bag. This bag is actually my exchange, where I exchanged 2 candles that I got on Candle Day that I knew I really wasn't going to keep. And I did that because I knew this line was coming out. The first one is Champagne Toast. Champagne toast looks just like that, and we all know champagne toast smells amazing. I love the smell of champagne toast. Basically it's effervescent champagne, sparkling berries, sweet orange, and you definitely get that with this candle. The next one is another key lime pie. Like, y'all, oh my goodness, key lime pie. Fruit Loops. Go smell it. Just go in your store, smell it, and go like this. Fruit Loops. That's all I get is Fruit Loops. So I did get another key lime pie. I'm waiting for hot fudge sundae and banana bundt cake. They have not come out to my area. I've been watching some girls on YouTube. They're finding it. I'm getting jelly. But as soon as I find it, I will be buying it. I heard it's supposed to be out within the 1st or 2nd week of January. Yes. That way I can go ahead and get 2 of each, because I want 2 of each, so my collection has what it needs. Like, they have a whole line of the candles that came out with them, but a lot of them are repackaging, like the tea cake or something rose petal tea cake, whatever. I don't like the smell of that candle at all, and that's just because I'm not a rose person. If you're a rose person, you probably are in love with it. I'm not a rose person, so I'm not in love with it. They have the cinnamon sugar donut. It's just so many selections of them, and they're already out. So that was that. I have 3 more bags to show you. We're going to first start off with this one because I want to show you the body care first. Then I can go into the candles because I found 75% off candles. Well, $2 candles. And I wanted to share that with you because those weren't available yesterday to me. Now they are. So I want to go ahead and show that to you. And they know they need to turn their music down in this parking lot, y'all. They need to turn the music down. And one of the items, y'all, I'm going to show you, you're going to be surprised. You're going to be like, I can't believe you got that, Tina. You down this line, you talk crap, and you got it. So let's do this body care. So the first thing I got was Maui Mango Surf. Looks just like that. Smells really, really good. It says it's ruby mango, guava nectar, white pineapple, coral hibiscus, island sandalwood. It smells really good. I do like that one. The next one I found for 75% off, the wild strawberry leaf. I will not pay 50% off for this line. I don't think it's all that. It's okay, but it ain't all that. So I wouldn't pay 50% for this line, but 75% I will. And y'all know I got the basil too, for 75%. So it made it worth it. I know some people said their stores are still doing this at 50%. The stores I'm going to are doing them at 75. So it just depends on what store you go to. So I recommend you go to a lot of different locations. And if you go online, make sure you go through eBay so you can get cash back. If you're going to put these online orders, especially when they're doing the 1050 candles, of course, the best 1050 candles are online, like the gelato and all that. They're online. So go ahead and place your order online. Go through eBay, get cash back. And when you sign up, I'll leave my link. Once you place your first order, which will be today with Bath & Body Works, so you can take advantage of their last day of doing these 1050 candles, you can get a $10 gift card. So I'll leave all that information below for you guys. Another Detox item I found, the Detox Mineral Body Polish Detox. It smells really good. 75% off. Like, this stuff 3 days ago was only 50% off, and it's crazy. Now it's 75% off. So if you got some of this stuff when it was only 50% off, I hope you saved your receipt. Go back into the store and go ahead and get your price exchange difference. Definitely do that. Another thing I got was the autumn excuse me, autumn. Almond blossom. Looks just like that, the almond blossom. Pretty packaging. The smell, it's just like, it's an almond smell. Nothing too much. I did get it in the cream because they didn't have the lotion, but the good thing is I know it's going to be used up pretty quick because this is a scent you can use any time of year. Oh, it smells so good. I think I'm going to put it in my desk at work because I'm going to need one for my desk at work because y'all know I go back to work on Wednesday. So yeah, I'm going to need one for my desk at work. So I'm going to take this one to work so this can stay on my desk, and it smells really good and the packaging is really cute. So I definitely had to get it. Retails $13.50. 75% off. Who could say no? And my next item I got for 75% off, this is for the little kids bathroom, and this is a nightlight too. Is the light up 24/7 thing. How cute is that? I got it for the kids bathroom, so they're gonna have a wallflower in their bathroom now, and I just thought that was really cute. Normally $14.50. Let me look at my long receipt and see if it shows me the price. So normally $14.50, it rung up $2.84 is what I paid for it. So $2.84 for this, that is a steal. So if you see these and you know this is cute for a bathroom design in your bathroom, get it. Take advantage of it. That's a great deal. I did get this for 50% off, the Watermelon Lemonade Antibacterial Hand Spray. Thought that was a great deal. Normally it's $5.50, so I got it for 50% off, and it's in watermelon lemonade. And I like watermelon lemonade, but I'm over watermelon lemonade in the candle form. I'm not a fan of it in candles. I don't know why. I'm over it. Now, the item that's going to surprise you guys, I just left the store with this item. I can't believe I bought it because I dragged this line, and I still hate the body cream in it. I don't like it, even though I have it. Hot cocoa and cream. And this was the last one they had of the spray. Y'all, the spray, once it settles down, it's okay. I think it'll be good as a room spray. Yeah, it smells okay. I mean, I wouldn't want the body wash in it. I barely want the spray. And I don't like the lotion. But this, I could use to spray throughout the whole house. So that'll work. And if I want to spray it on me, when I feel extra chocolatey, I can do that. But y'all, I finally broke down and got another hot cocoa and cream product. Say what? Say what? All right, so I got one. So that's that. But wait, y'all know there's more because I got to get to these candles. But I'm waiting to get to these candles until I go ahead and show you guys everything that's not candle related, and then we'll get into all these candles because I have a big bag that's just 75% off candles. So let me just get all the stuff out the way that's not candle related. I got a loofah, $3.50. Why not? Pretty pink color, so I got that. And then I got 5 pocket bags. This is all Joanna McLeod's fault. She was showing these pocket bags, and I was like, let me get some pocket bags. I need some for the new season. So I got Sparkling Limoncello. Looks like that. I have Pretty as a Peach. Looks like that. I wish you'd get out there with that loud music in that old behind Jeep. Oh my goodness. Wish on a Star. And it's So Very Sweet. Looks just like that. And the reason why I got the pocket bags is this scent right here, the Nectarine Sun Tea, because I love it in the form I just got it in, the hand soap. So I was like, oh my god, yes, if I could get the pocket bag, and it's gonna be so good in the spring. So yeah, I picked up 2 of these, so I got those 2. So that's all that. So did I get anything else that's not candle related? Oh, I got 2 wallflowers. Hold up. No, I got more than 2 wallflowers. I think I got like, y'all, bear with me. Y'all know I'm doing this in the car. Bear with me. Hold on. Yeah, I got way more than 2 wallflowers. I got 4. I got 4 wallflowers, y'all. I got 4. Trying to get this out here before I lose this sunlight. So I got champagne toast. One of my girls was talking about this all the time, the sale Nacelle, where your haul at for the SAS, girl? I'm waiting on you, Nacelle. But I got the 24 karat gold pocket bag, if you guys can see. Not pocket bag, wallflower. I got one that's a little bit different just to try. I don't even know what it smells like. It's the Seaside Mist. And then the last one I have is peach Bellini, because I do like peach Bellini. So that's all the wallflowers that I got. Now let's move into this bag of candles. These candles were $2. $2 holla. And these are the Try Me candles, and I have to go home and actually disinfect them down, but I don't mind paying $2 for the mini candles. That way I can have some kind of scent in the house, and these were like scents that I didn't want to buy full size in, so if I can get a mini for $2, why not? The first one is Campfire Donut. It smells so good, so got that one. All the rest the girl wrapped for me at the store, at the outlet in Round Rock. She says she watches my videos. Hey girl, hey, I'm recording in the car, but you saw me at the store. Okay, yeah, so the sales associates know me. Some of them watch my videos, so I think that's pretty cool. I think it's cool that they understand what I'm going through. So citrus and sandalwood. Oh my god. Citrus and smell. It smells so good. The citrus and sandalwood, it smells really, really good. So I do like that one. And again, these for $2, you can't beat it. Plus you save even more money if you use a 10 off 40. They know they could have brought back the 10 off 30, but it's whatever. I still use the discount. I got Marshmallow Fireside, because why not? It smells good. I think I'm gonna burn that one when I get home. Marshmallow Fireside, because that one smells really good. Sorry about the paper, guys. She just wrapped everything so pretty. I wanted to get this one, okay, but I didn't want the big one because I heard so many terrible reviews about this candle, and to me it just doesn't give full appeal, something I want in a 3-wick. So to get this for $2, I was so down for it. It's Pumpkin Donut Shop, and it reminds me of Holy Moly Donut Shop. So a mini one, strong. A mini one, I can give it some love. The big one, no. And these will normally run for $10, the little 1-wicks. But yeah, Holy Moly Donut Shop, Pumpkin Donut Shop. I had to have one, so I got me one. The next one, this like my Christmas. I'm unwrapping my Christmas presents, okay? Because for Christmas, like I didn't do a what I got for Christmas video because for what? Only thing I got for Christmas, my mom got me a Michael Kors watch, and then I got Bath and Body Works. So hey, it's my Christmas. SAS is my Christmas, because that's the only kind of things that, you know, I really want. So this is my Christmas. So welcome to what I got for Christmas. So I have the coconut colada. Looks like that. Can you smell it? Coconut colada smells so good. I love this one. I cannot wait. I'm gonna hold on to that one to the weather break, because that one is gonna be a jammy jam. Let's move on to the next one. What are you? What are you? This one is Snowflakes and Citrus. Need I say more? This is my favorite. One of my favorites from the winter. One of my favorites is Snowflakes and Citrus. Oh my god. Burn this while you clean it. Burn this while you clean it. And tell me you don't love it. I absolutely love Snowflakes and Citrus. Oh my god. It's definitely one of my favorites for the winter time. My next gift, we're almost done, guys, is 24 karat gold. Again, Nacelle, where's your haul? Nacelle told me about the 24K gold. So I was like, ooh, the mini candle for $2. Yes, please. Let me get that. And 24 karat gold smells so good. I do like it. I'm getting like a soapy kind of smell. I don't know. It's like a perfumey smell. I'm trying to see if it has the notes. Let me see. It says cool eucalyptus, clean musk. Is all it is. but I like it a lot. So I got that one. And then our final candle, let's open her up, get her done. Let's get her done. Okay, so this last one is Caribbean Escape. Caribbean Escape is everything, because I got this mini one because y'all know I got the big one during SAS. That way I don't have to burn that one. I keep burning the mini first. I love the smell of Caribbean Escape. Again, these go for $10. I got it for $2, and I love it. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's everything I got from the SAS. Again, am I going to do SAS videos all into the end of this year? Don't give me no personal challenges. Don't give me no personal challenges now. But if I go back again, because I've been asking, after yesterday's video, I was like, I ain't gonna post no more if I go back. And everybody was like, no, if you go, post, because if you find discounts, we want to know what the discounts are. I do post. That way you guys can see what the discounts are, so you can take advantage of them as well. Because if I'm not posting the discounts and I'm holding them to myself, I'm not doing you guys any justice. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. If you're going online, do it through Ebates, get that cash back. I think going online would be the best bet, so you're not hunting down candles if that's your main thing, is candles. That's just in my opinion. So you can go through Ebates and get cash back. And I'm trying to think what else. I'm really not on the hunt for anything anymore except for Secret Wonderland spray, but I haven't seen that anywhere. So I'm really not on the hunt for anything. I don't need anything else. I am Bath and Body Works out, but if something does come about and I do take advantage of it, I definitely will let you guys know. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.